Tea production begins here, where fertile land and climate shape the world's finest tea leaves.
Structured harvesting teams maintain efficiency while protecting tea plants for continuous seasonal tea production.
Fresh tea leaves must travel fast to factories to preserve flavor and processing quality. From tea fields to factory doors, harvesting completes the first vital stage of tea production. Fresh tea leaves are loaded carefully to protect structure, aroma, and quality during transport. Readout is exactly 1500 kilograms. Please log the Darjeeling batch. Confirmed. Data entered and synchronized with the origin tracker. Only fresh, undamaged tea leaves pass inspection before entering the factory's processing systems.
Initial sorting removes impurities, ensuring only clean tea leaves continue deeper into production.
With intake complete, tea leaves officially begin their transformation inside the modern tea factory.
Withering begins by spreading tea leaves evenly, preparing them for controlled moisture reduction. Temperature and humidity controls guide tea leaves toward ideal moisture levels for processing.
Continuous climate control ensures every tea leaf withers evenly across massive factory volumes. Withering completes, preparing tea leaves for rolling, oxidation, and flavor development stages ahead.
Mechanical rolling breaks tea leaf cells, releasing enzymes essential for flavor and aroma development.
Oxidation allows oxygen to transform tea enzymes, shaping color, aroma, and taste.
The oxidation rate is spiking. We are past the target color on the chart.
Agreed. Increase the airflow and reduce the temperature.
Batch separation preserves each tea variety's unique character during oxidation.
rolling, and oxidation complete the most critical chemical transformation in tea manufacturing.
High-temperature drying stops oxidation, locking tea chemistry at its optimal flavor stage.
Proper drying preserves tea flavor while preventing spoilage during storage and transport.
Final checks confirm tea has reached optimal dryness, aroma, and processing stability. With drying complete, tea is fully stabilized and ready for sorting and packaging stages.
Vibrating sieves separate tea leaves by size, ensuring consistency across different tea products. Blending combines multiple tea batches to achieve balanced, repeatable flavor profiles.
Safety testing ensures every tea batch meets international food safety regulations.
Documentation is fully compliant with the batch records.
Confirmed. The visual inspection matches the standards. We can approve this lot.
Sorting and quality control complete, tea advances toward packaging and consumer-ready production. Grinding prepares tea for bagging, ensuring consistent infusion strength in every teacup.
Measured pallets are located deep down for advantage or not keeping in the push board. Filling nozzles round family and is your safe.
Robotic handling protects tea hygiene while maintaining speed and precision.
Tea bag production and packaging complete, delivering ready-to-brew tea to global markets. Climate-controlled warehouses protect tea freshness, aroma, and shelf life before global distribution begins. Efficient logistics move tea quickly from storage to outbound transportation channels.
Global logistics networks deliver tea efficiently from factories to international markets worldwide.
I can't decide between these two blends.
The one on the bottom shelf looks good too.
This is the complete journey of tea, from farm leaves to global cups.